And Sharika Douglas slammed in 4 goals as Arnett Gardens defeated Real Mona to remain among the 3 unbeaten teams following the latest round of matches from the Jamaica Women's Premier League. Cavalier and defending champions Frazsiers are the other teams yet to taste defeat this season.
Arnett Gardens completed the double over newcomers Real Mona after handing them another heavy beating, this time 5-2 in the opening game of a doubleheader at the Alpha Boys Institute. They were led to victory by their leading striker Sharika Douglas, who scored 4 times to push her season's tally to 9. She opened the scoring in the 14th minute to give Arnett a 1-0 lead at the break. She then added a quick triple after the restart, netting in the 49th, 50th and 57th minutes as the female junglists went 4-0 up. Olivia Ashbourne reduced the margin for Real Mona after converting a 59th minute penalty. However, Arnett restored their 4-goal advantage following an own goal by Mona's captain, Shanae Ashley, in the 85th minute. Ashbourne then grabbed hers and Real Mona's second in the 3rd minute of second half added time.
Yes, I have to impress my team, the coaching staff and also the supporters, I'm feeling super excited for these 3 points,
I'm very proud of my girls. We had a mission and we wanted to take the double on them just for morale boost, and we got that, and we also got to set them back a little bit and step up a little bit in the tables. We still have a long way to go. There's a lot of little things that I'm seeing that we still need to improve on, but their mission is the CFU, and to get to the CFU you have to win this.
The win pushed Arnett to 16 points in Zone A, 4 ahead of second place Cavalier, who had a come-from-behind 2-1 win over UA women in the feature encounter. It was the visiting UA who took the lead against the run of play when Nathaniel Morris scored a 32-minute penalty. However, Cavalier pulled the level 4 minutes later when Tatiana Polak scored. She was at it again 2 minutes later to hand her team all the 3 points, moving them to 12 as they remain unbeaten.
Yeah, I'm very proud knowing the fact that we were 1-0 down and then we came back to win the game 2-1. I know that Arnett did a good game today, so we had to fight hard and make sure that they don't go too far out of our reach.
In the zones of the game, 3rd place Wi-Fi United moved to 9 points after completing the double over Proven Girls, clipping them 1-0 at Carter Park. Zone B leaders and defending champions Frazsiers had to work hard in their come-from-behind 2-1 win over Lux Perfectus at Brook Park. 3rd place Federal United improved their chances of a semi-final spot with a 3-1 win over the pointless Roma Bay at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. The group's other game between Mile Gully and Springers United was not played due to a waterlogged field at the Mile Gully Community Centre.